Okay, welcome back. Now we are on the same resource page, and here I have three web hosting companies that I would like to share with you. And the one is 123reg.co.uk, that's UK based. The second one is Hostgator, that's the one I use. And the third one is 1&1 Web Hosting. Again, these all three web hosting that I'm recommending based on the recommendations I've received from my colleagues and my personal experience. I will be using Hostgator as my backend panel. So these are the three companies I can recommend. Pick anyone that suits your need. And again, refer to the resource page. You will get a discount coupon from there and you will be happy bunny. Okay, now let's sign up to the hosting company and create an account. Okay, so here we are on hostgator.com, and here you have to click on web hosting. Now it is showing you different packages: Hatchling, Baby, and Business Plan. Okay, Baby Plan is also good. I won't say go for the business straight away because you can always upgrade. Let's check the difference. Hatchling Plan is good if you only want to host a single website and single domain, and it will cost you about $4. But check the difference, you're paying $4 per month for one website. However, in a $6, just $2 more, you can host unlimited domains. Now you have to select which plan do you want to go. Hatchling Plan is good for the single website, single domain, and this is something if you want to play with. Okay, now here is the scenario. Imagine you are learning this skill. Tomorrow you can sell this skill to your prospective clients. Okay, you can sell these services online where you can ask people, okay, I will build a website for you, and because you have this baby plan, which means you can host unlimited websites, you can always tell them, okay, I'm going to charge you about $3 or maybe $2 per month for the hosting. Okay, all you need to do is to host their website on your shared account through this plan, and you can always charge them. So eventually, once you will have 4 or 5 clients, your hosting cost will be zero because they will be paying, and this is business. So it's entirely up to you how you're going to start it. In this demonstration, we are going to sign up as Baby Plan. Okay, so I'm going to select sign up now. Now, very first thing we can select our domain. Okay, we can choose a new domain, or if we already have a domain, we can select this option. Okay, I'm assuming we don't have a domain, so we are going to create one. Okay, so our domain name is dfmoffers.com. okay, so this is the domain I want to go for. So the domain is available and it's going to cost me $12.95, so which means pretty much $13 per year. Okay, so I will select this option. I will scroll down, and here you have a domain privacy. Okay, if you want to enable this option, it will charge you $1 per month, roughly about $12 or $13 in a yearly time period. Okay, so what this will do, it will protect personal information because you are signing up this account with your personal detail. By checking this option, it will prohibit your personal information to reflect on the website. Okay, let's say there is a website called whois.com. okay, if we go there now, if I type here the web address, which is hostgator.com, okay, it will show me who owned this domain and the contact details. Okay, unless until they have hidden this information. So I'm going to click on who is and check this Hostgator. Okay, that's the domain, that is the registrar information and the date when the registration was made and the expiry date and the name server's detail. Okay, and here we have registrant contact detail. Okay, Adam Farrar. Okay, and this is the organization, this is the address. Okay, Texas, US, and this is the contact detail, and here's the email for the contact information. Okay, and this person is also administrator of this domain. So this is what I'm trying to show you. If you want to protect this information, you can check the option and nothing will appear here. Okay, let's say if you are a small business, okay, and you're trying to operate it from home, and obviously you will provide your home address as a billing address, and you don't want your home address to appear on the domain registrant information. Okay, so you can check that option and your personal detail will not reflect. Second option is you can always uncheck this option if you don't bother, in case if you are running your business and you have an office and you don't mind broadcasting your office address and email, etc. So you can uncheck this option, and that means you will not pay $13 extra. Okay, so entirely up to you. I'm going to select this option. So let's go down, and here my package is selected. I am going for the baby package, and the billing cycle I want is 12 months, or let's go for 6 months. Okay, If we will pay something now, that means we don't have to pay for next 6 months, okay? You can go for the 12 months as well, but entirely up to you, okay? I will say stick to minimum 6 months. You don't have to bother about paying the bills for the domains. On top of that, it will be very cheaper because I will give you the discount coupons as well, okay? So let's select the username. I would say Barak Education. That is the username, edu. Okay, that's my username I've selected. Okay, that is the pin code. When you will contact them, they will ask your pin code for the verification. Okay, you can select it here. Now here is your billing address. You need to put your email address here. Make sure you put the right one. So I'm going for barak.media@gmail.com. Okay, so this is the. Now you put your first name, last name, your company address, phone number, country. Okay, I'm in the UK. I'm going to select United Kingdom. Okay, and here you will provide your credit card details if you want to pay with credit card. And the second option is you can also pay with a PayPal. Okay, so whatever option is convenient for you, you can go with this. Okay, if you will select for PayPal, obviously the checkout, it will take you to your PayPal account and ask you to verify the transaction. Okay, so let's select the credit card. You put the credit card details in, and here on the fourth section, it's asking about add additional services. Okay, so these are the services which are add-ons. You can uncheck this. For example, protect your site from the hackers, powered by the site lock. Highly recommended. That's what they are recommending, but they're going to charge you $3 per month for this service, so it's about $36 additional. Okay, you can uncheck this option. I have a course available on WordPress security where I've taught how to use the free plugins to secure your website. Okay, you can take that course and have plenty of tools at your disposal. Or if you are concerned, you can always check this. Okay, entirely up to you. Also, they offer the Google Mail, which means you can create your web emails, but the emails will come on the Google. So basically, you@yourdomain.com, and yourdomain.com will be on the Google, so it will be a Gmail account. Okay, and you will be able to sign up to the Gmail with your domain name, but they're going to charge you $5 extra for this. Okay, up to you if you want to go with this. Okay, I have unchecked this, and here they are offering the daily backups. Okay, they're going to charge you about $1.67 per month, and annually, so it's about $20. Okay, I will recommend this option because they are going to conduct daily backups, and it is an automatic process. But if you are using the more professional services, as I've taught in my security courses, you don't need to check this. Okay, and you can take the leverage of those tools that I've taught in the courses. Okay, so up to you. I will leave it open because I'm assuming you are new to the security, and you want to start with the bare minimum. If you want to select it, you can select it. Okay, I've unchecked this, and also I don't need a secure socket layer because I won't be taking any credit card details or any personal information. Okay, so in this section, pretty much I have not checked anything, and then there is enter a coupon code. Okay, this is the code it has come with. Once you will select the link, the link I have provided here, it will land you here. Okay, so this is going to give you about a very minimum discount. The code I'm about to give you will give you about 40-50% discount. Okay, and the code is Barak Media. Okay, so BARAQMEDIA. If you apply this and take a look at this discount side, okay, there you go. So it has knocked out about $34 for you. Okay, and the total cost will be $78, and you are good to go. So in this plan, let's recap. We are going to get one domain for a year, and we are also paying for the domain privacy protection. We don't want to disclose our personal information on the web. The plan we are going to choose is a baby plan, and it's a 6-month plan we are signing up for. This is our user ID and the password. Obviously, you will choose your username and the PIN code. Okay, this is just only for the demonstration purpose. And your billing information is pretty straightforward. And here, add additional services. I have unchecked all the services, okay, because I'm not buying any backup or protection services. I will take leverage from the knowledge I have from the security point of view. Okay, if we scroll down, and here we have implemented the coupon code, the code I've given you. There are two codes. The one is BARAQMEDIA, Barak Media, and that will knock out you about 40-45%. And the second code is BARAQ101, and you can use that code as well. Okay, but this is a universal code. Okay, and that will give you a massive discount. Okay, Not only this, even in the future, if you upgrade your account or you buy additional domain, use these codes and you will get discount. Okay, I hope this is valuable to you. All now you need to do is to click checkout now. Okay, and that will take you to the processing page. Okay, now fill this information and you fill this information as well, and I will see you in the next page.